Namaste. Welcome to our discussion. As a yoga teacher and practitioner, I'm always on the safety side of the practice. Moderation is the key to a long-lasting, meaningful journey. Safety is paramount for your well-being. Yoga is beautiful, don't get me wrong. It's good for the health, it's good for the mind, it's good for the spirit. It will allow you to realize your higher potentials. However, there are ugly sides to it as well. And there's one thing here that's so important, and it's the peak of meditation, Samadhi, the high energy absorption in the system when we meditate, at the height of the meditation. The trance or the euphoria attached to Samadhi is wonderful. It's amazing to experience the vastness and the limitless potential nature of our energy, who we really are as spiritual beings, a relationship with all that is created. The realization is that there's no difference at all between you and me. What's in me is in you. So we are one. And we don't need to experience trance to acknowledge that, do we? Without Samadhi, we could still promote a better understanding through our actions, our words, our deeds, kindness, respect, tolerance. To experience the trance is a gift, really. The Samadhi, the euphoria attached to it, for me, is a gift. And if it happens to you, you have a calling for it. It's a validation of the eternity of the spirit, that we transition from one to the next. The body dies, the breath stops, but the spirits live forever. And this is beautiful when it comes to promoting the sanctity of life. This is the temple, the body is the temple, so we take care of it. And when we share the experience with others, then we promote the same upon them. The danger lies when we keep on chasing for the trance attached to the Samadhi, because it will not happen. The first experience is always the most intense. The succeeding ones become less powerful. Law of diminishing return. For one simple reason, for us to attain the same intensity as the first, and it will not happen, I tell you, you need to send more electricity inside the inner brain. And the more electrical force we send there, the more damage we inflict on the nervous system. Electrical short circuits, overload. Even if your bandits are strong to regulate the intensity, it's still dangerous. Because our nervous system, our inner brain, is not meant to withstand that high electrical pressure. And every time we send that force there, we inflict little tears and damage to our nervous system. And then when we overdo the process, the damage could be permanent. It's irreparable, and this is dangerous. The more you send electricity inside the inner brain, higher than what it could handle, the more damage you put in there, until you become numb. And this numbness will ripple through your spirit. And this is when yoga could be dangerous. Instead of us promoting the realization of that first experience, which is beautiful, we become so attached to it. And we chase it. Once or twice in a lifetime is enough. If it happens in the future, then it's meant to happen. When the nervous system has fully restored, then it's possible to happen again. But it should never be the goal of your meditation. Just to relax the mind and restore the body is enough. What's important is the realization we gain from the experience, who we really are, our relationship with all that is created. And even then, we don't need Samadhi to do that, do we? Have a meaningful one. Namaste.